They shine them tires up, shine them pretty legs up too.
There you go. Ryan here for SillyReviews.com. Today we're going to be reviewing HyperShine by Car Brite. This is a high gloss dressing that gets your plastic trim, your plastic molding, your tires shining like you wouldn't believe. Got my man Daryl going to do a demonstration for us on a 2007 Chevrolet Tahoe. We have a local distributor in our area. He comes and delivers the stuff. That's how we get it.
See, all right? They ain't getting on you.
What you think about this HyperShine stuff, Daryl? You think it's good?
Oh yeah, the best in the market. They shine them tires up, shine them pretty legs up too.
There you go.
Tell that woman, come over here, John. Come over here. We're gonna get this place. As long as you're single and you ain't got nobody, you good. They shine you up.
Got the paintbrush technique. Spread it around, get in the grooves.
That's it. So it's gonna splash all over when you're driving. You know?
The professional job. That was how we do it on a Chevrolet Tahoe. Take a look at this vehicle. This is on a Dodge Charger with chrome rims. Look at how those dark tires pop. This is over a day and a half, and it did go through a small shower, and the tires are still shining. It really brings attention to either vehicles you're trying to sell or your own personal vehicle. Go out on a hot date. Shine up your car. You know us guys like to do that. Here's a Scion XB. We put HyperShine on these tires over a week ago. They're still black. Looks great. Here's some before and after on those Tahoe tires. Really makes a big difference. So I've got to give the HyperShine 2 thumbs up. Good stuff. Please like, subscribe, and get notifications. Thank you.